welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Pierre-Louis family. This is your girl Andia, just here to let you know, guys, I am going to the beach, guys. Yes, I am going to the beach today with my family. So today we are going to the beach. Yes, it's been a while we haven't gone to the beach, so I'm super excited, guys, and I am gonna let you know when we get there so that you can see all the fun that we are having. Yes, just celebrated my birthday. My birthday was actually yesterday, and you know, the girl just gonna have some fun. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna take you guys for a little walk along the beach. It's a very, I don't think it's not that big, but it's very nice. It's my first time at this beach, and yes, I'm gonna be coming back. I'm gonna be coming back to the beach. Marconi! Very nice here, very nice. I love it. We'll be coming back for sure. I had fun. It was my birthday. I'm so blessed. I'm grateful to be alive, and especially to celebrate this day with my family. Guys, as I always say, family is very important. Family is the root for me, is the root of Christianity, is the root of happiness, because when you have happy home, happy family time, like spending time with your family, is what makes your children, it helps motivate your children to be better children. You prepare them for the future of their own family, to see what family is supposed to be like, and God intends for family to be happy, because family is a union, guys. I always saying that, guys. So I'm blessed and I'm happy, and I'm feeling so happy and joyful to spend this day again with my husband, my children, and I have my sister here with me and my nieces. So guys, you know, you gotta enjoy life, my people. You have to enjoy life, and as I said, I plan to do more of this with my family. You know, you gotta keep your family grounded. You gotta be rooted and grounded. Got to keep the family. Okay, Jamie. Okay. Oh my God. That's the ducklings. Hi, Marconi. You have anything to say? To Madame Pierre-Louis. Yes, Madame Pierre-Louis. having fun. Let's have fun, guys. Hi, everybody. There he is. Yes, guys. It's fun. There's not too much people. Everybody's just having fun. Just family turn up. Family celebrating. Celebrate! The girls wanna have fun. And the hub is coming. We're trying to find them. Let them along here. Woo! I'm having fun. Let's see, guys. Look, guys. Look at Mackenzie. Why does Mac? Why? Mac is gonna take off his mask. Sexy girl. Yes. Magnificent and fabulous. All her curves and edges. The baby's here eating still. Oh, you know what? Give him nice. What am I doing? Okay. I just leave from that. Anyway. Say hi, Mackenzie. Hi. You know what that go dance? A fun dance? Do you have to break dance? Nice job, Andy. Good job. Good job, Papa. One. 2. Look at Kishon. Yeah! Yana! Kish! Yeah, there. Good job, Andy. This boy afraid water. He doesn't like the water. He says it's too cold. Look at Andy.
Jaden, look at this.
Andy! There is answer. The chronic of the demon of Chronos.
cutie. Huh, cutie?
I found a potato.
I'm a cutie.
Mommy, I found a potato. I found a potato.
You know? Why I tell you that? Right, cutie? Just
You want to have a challenge? Whoever
oh my god.